I put some seeds and I plant them in there. In the springtime, we do activities, including some gardening. We grow plants in our classroom. We do art projects and activities that include flowers and things that pop up in the springtime. They learn to verbalize, picking up words. They use their fine motor skills to act out songs. They also learn how to share a space. My favorite thing about this age group is when you can see their little minds learning. When you get into this age where they're starting to just do things on their own or trying to, and you just watch that little brain see what's happening, trying to figure out things, and you just look at them like these are going to be adults one day, and that's where it starts.